Cuppy001. Okay, going 50-ish.
He decided to make a U-turn in the worst possible spot.
We're going about 50.
Made sure that the
We have the wrong handlebar. Slow down. Good job on braking. Yeah, so those left turners and U-turners cause a lot of issues. Don't do this though, because now you're blocking them in. The other dude, your buddy, almost crashed. Let's just go ahead and move on with their day. Law of gross tonnage, even though it's a Prius, you know, they weigh about 42 pounds. Oh, that's a Ford. Never mind, it's a Ford. We'll focus.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Alright, I don't care about this. Are we still yelling? Still yelling. Good to have you. Alright, here we go. So left turn. Turn left, turn left. Good job. Oh, we got somebody coming up straight. Good job on the braking. Good job on the braking. So remember, lane splitting, a little bit of an issue. Hopefully nobody turns left in front of us, in front of this area. Yep, that person wanted to get in the left lane. Come on. Come on.
Next,
The Greeky rider.
situations that perfectly represent a complete
Okay, line of sight issue. You guys can see this. Hopefully he's not going to be... What do we got here? Class, what do we got? What do we got? Nothing? Nothing happened? Okay. Mind his own business. Car swerves. Okay, we have a roundabout intersection. What stage should we be in, class? What stage should we be in? We should be prepped and ready. I didn't see any head movements. We're just kind of looking forward. Come on now. Come on, Gavin De Leon. Member for 9 months. Whew. It's good to have you guys in class today. So Rembro USMC. Oh, military. Okay, okay. So watch this car. We're watching. So you should have good situational awareness as a Marine, right? Okay, remember this is a left turn, double left turn lane. We're on the outside one, so you always want to watch out for anybody coming out in front of us, which is going to happen here. Terrible arc, you see that? They went straight in and then had to go around. We did good. They didn't. So let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. When I go riding this weekend and this next coming week, I'll be showing you guys a little bit of this. But right here, we're going to be going through here, that left turn. Okay, we're going to be adjusting ourselves and seeing this. So we're going 40. We're slowing down to 36. It's a nice wide arc. We're slowing down even more, 32 now. But when we're looking through the turn, we're doing really good here. This person, you see how they're straight through? Yeah, where do you think their nose is pointed? Now we're starting to see side of the vehicle. Wherever their nose is pointed is where they're going. This person's nose is pointed this way. Our nose is pointed towards the turn. Their nose is pointed the wrong way. That's where they're going, and this is where that collision could happen. And that's where we get right here. So now we see somebody in front of us. That's that uncommon thing in a common situation. They're supposed to stay in their lane. That should give us, oh, we're going to be way more in orange stage now. Let's just go ahead and roll off that throttle. Because remember, we're just planning our ride. We're positioning ourselves for safety. We located the hazard. We're just going to go ahead and adapt the hazard by rolling off the throttle and allow them to get in, and then we're going to go around them. And then we're in a better position for safety, which he's going to show right here. He's in a better position for safety. He's still locating a dum-dum. We're next to them, so let's go ahead and accelerate a little bit out of there by adapting to that. And now we're back into yellow stage. We're good. Now that's how you break down a turn. That's a turn breakdown, but a lot of people don't understand that people do this all the freaking time. All the freaking time. Did not lose his cool. Yeah, that's a biker, right? Runs the light super close, my fault. Okay, green light. Green does not always mean go. It does not always mean go. Because you have stuff like this. Go ahead and get out of the way. Never moved out of there. I get it. It's a Harley Davidson Sportster. Not very nimble. Very heavy bikes. Low technology. I get it.
Decided
but you can still do something.
So abruptly that he didn't give the biker any chance.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Trying to Flintstone it back doesn't work. Does not work. That's one of the big issues. That's why I don't like being right behind a vehicle. I like to be off to the side so I can hopefully get out of the way. But tip-tatting with your feet, it's not working very well. I like the van color. This guy's got a good beard. Got a good beard. His beard or mine? Alright, love the music here. Whoa, road rage! Ooh, what kind of kind of hazards do you see there? Ay, 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 ay. Blast on wheels. Lane filtering pretty high speed. Oh, hi. How you doing? I'm talking. You said hi to me. Uh-oh. We tip-tapped the mirror. Didn't mean to. This is the first time I've ever seen a mirror hit. That was not on purpose. We got a few more videos. We might have to do a few more. Nathan's gonna have a great time editing this. Whoa, where'd the guy go? Oh, drivers in this area is on the other side.
Yeah.
You've done it before, Ninja? As long as there's... well,
Sorry?
it's a
No, I
Tesla?
was seeing, but it was just too little space and I didn't fit and I hit your mirror.
An accidental smash.
Fine, because if there is no damage, it should be fine. Yeah, I don't see any damage.
Is that a Tesla?
So sorry about that, okay?
Okay, please.
Thanks for watching till the end.
Are you kidding me, Moto Stars? That's it? That's it?